Welcome to Exploring the Power of iPhone Cameras, a complete guide. Our YouTube channel is your ultimate resource for unlocking the true potential of iPhone cameras. We will guide you on a transformative journey to capture stunning photos and videos using your iPhone. In today's digital era, smartphones have revolutionized the way we capture and share our lives. Among the vast array of smartphone options, the iPhone stands out as a leader in the realm of mobile photography. With its cutting-edge camera technology, intuitive features, and powerful image processing capabilities, the iPhone offers a creative tool that is accessible to all. At Exploring the Power of iPhone Cameras, a complete guide, we are passionate about empowering individuals to harness the full capabilities of their iPhone cameras. We believe that with the right knowledge and techniques, anyone can achieve impressive results and create captivating visual content. Is meticulously designed to cater to photography enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a beginner seeking to improve your foundational skills or an experienced photographer looking for advanced techniques, we have something for everyone. Our content covers a wide range of topics, including camera settings, shooting modes, composition, editing, and more. Through engaging and informative videos, we take you on a journey of discovery, unraveling the intricacies of iPhone camera features and functions. We provide step-by-step tutorials that are easy to follow, ensuring that you grasp the concepts and techniques we present. From mastering manual controls to leveraging the power of portrait mode, night mode, and advanced editing tools, we leave no stone unturned in our exploration of the iPhone camera's capabilities. Our team of seasoned photographers and content creators brings a wealth of expertise to the table. With years of experience in the field, we understand the nuances of iPhone photography and the unique challenges it presents. We stay up to date with the latest iPhone models, features, and software updates, ensuring that our tutorials are relevant and tailored to your specific. In addition to tutorials, we also delve into broader photography topics such as composition, lighting, and storytelling. We explore how these elements can be effectively applied to iPhone photography, enabling you to create images that not only capture a moment, but also evoke emotions and tell compelling stories. We encourage you to think creatively and experiment with different techniques to push the boundaries of what is possible with your iPhone camera. Furthermore, recognizes that photography is not just about the technical aspects, but also about the artistry and personal expression it allows. We encourage you to find your unique style and vision as a photographer. We provide inspiration through showcases of outstanding iPhone photography, interviews with talented creators, and discussions on the power of visual storytelling. Exploring the Power of iPhone Cameras, a complete guide is committed to being a comprehensive resource for all your iPhone photography needs. We continuously evolve with the ever-changing landscape of mobile photography, exploring new features and techniques as they emerge. Our aim is to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and inspiration to capture extraordinary moments with your iPhone camera. So, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, stunning portraits, or documenting your everyday life, our channel is here to accompany you on your photography journey. Together, we will unlock the limitless potential of your iPhone camera and transform the way you capture and share your world. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. You enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. Stay tuned for exciting updates and new videos coming soon.